Heian Sandan! Heian Sandan! What's up guys, my name is Sensei Jason Leung. I'm a 4th dan in Shotokan Karate. In today's video, we are learning Kata Heian Sandan. So if you guys are ready, let's get right into it. Okay, from yoi position, first move, you're gonna step into uchioke into kokutsu dachi. Make sure your hikite is pulled far back, stepping up, cross block, straight legged stance. Okay, hand position, like so. Boom, boom. Other side, uchioke, right, cross block, morote uke into kokutsu dachi, nukite, zenkutsu dachi. Twist. So this one here is kiba dachi, horse stance, like so. Make sure in kiba dachi, your feet are not pointing out because this is an entirely different stance, shiko dachi. Toes in, knees out. Okay, tailbone tucked. Stepping forward, open, into oizuki in kiai. Okay, so from here, go, ich, hai! Stepping up. So, hands, my waist. From this position, we're gonna go right leg, crescent kick. So kind of loops around. You're blocking a punch or a strike. Boom, elbow lock, backhand, back to the waist. Same thing on the other side, crescent kick, leg to kibadachi, buraken, back. One more, I wind up, boom, step, oizuki. From oizuki, my rear leg kind of does a semicircular motion. Okay, right about here. Same time I twist. Okay, back punch, kikite, shift to the other side, kiai. So we're here, ich, then strong, kiai, and yame. Then, so now that you guys have a better understanding of your kata, I'm gonna count it out for you guys step by step. So here we go, starting off in yoi. Anatsu kata, Heian Sandan. Ich, ni, san, shi, go, look, sich, hach, hai, kyu, ju, ich, ni, san, go, rock, hai, yame, hai.